بەڕێزان هەموو لایەک بەخێر بێن ئاهەنگی دەرچوونەکەمان پێش 5 دقیقە دەست پێیەکە لە دوای 5 دقیقە تکایە لە شوێنەکانی خۆتان دانیشن. سيداتي آنساتي سادتي سوف يبدأ المراسم التخرج ال APP بعد 5 دقائق يرجى الجلوس في أماكنكم. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the APP graduation. Our graduation ceremony will start in 5 minutes. Please be seated if you could. Can we have some music, please? Because the graduates are moving in. Welcome everyone, ladies and gentlemen, students, parents, friends, our honored guests and everyone. Welcome to our APP graduation for spring and summer 2022. We are so excited to be here this evening to celebrate our students' achievements. These students worked so hard to be here today. These students are ready and well prepared to start their undergraduate courses very soon. Ladies and gentlemen, our APP graduates are standing to be recognized. Let's give them a wild round of applause. Dear graduates, you can be seated. This graduation is very special. For the first time, we are using simultaneous translation devices and live streaming the event via YouTube. So if you haven't received the translation device, just raise your hand. I'm pretty sure our interns and volunteers will help you. Let's thank everyone who helps us with this event. Thank you, our IT and communications team, and let's also thank our volunteers and interns who are working extremely hard behind the scene to make this event possible and enjoyable as well. Thank you, Ms. Kani Azad and Ms. Wala Talib, for being our translators for this event. Just make sure you return the translation devices to our volunteers after we finish the event. To officially start our APP graduation, I would like to welcome and introduce Dr. Bruce Walker Ferguson, the president of our university, to give his opening remarks. Please.
Thank you, Ahmed, and thank you, Ms. Zim, and the rest of the APP staff for your usual wonderful job in bringing us all together here today. Bekherben, marhaba. Welcome, all of you, students, parents, families, friends, faculty, to the American University of Iraq, Suleimani. Graduation ceremonies always remind me of the days when I received my own degrees, the last of which was my doctorate in law from Harvard University. For me, graduation has been a turning point that changed my life. Doors opened, roads beckoned. My investment in education was an investment in my future. I believe that you will find your AUIS graduations, both today and at the undergraduate level, to represent a similar investment. Today marks a crucial step not only towards a brighter future for you personally, but also for your family and communities. Today I see proud graduates. These are young men and women who have a lot to be proud of. I see proud parents who are optimistic about the future of their sons and daughters who have just completed the demanding academic preparatory program, the only U.S. certified English language program in Iraq and the Kurdistan region. In APP, you have learned how to organize information from readings, to organize study notes and lectures into individual study programs and study groups. You've learned how to apply basic time management, critical thinking, and other relevant academic skills to language learning and practice. You've learned how to study effectively and productively through this in any area of study that you now choose. And you'll be studying at AUIS, which is one of the best international universities in the country. This is what makes us different. I believe it's what makes us proud, and it's certainly what makes us better. A different language is a different vision of life. That's a quote from Federico Fellini, the director and screenwriter. The bridges that you build and communicate through different languages open multiple opportunities for you. This is especially true in Iraq and the Kurdistan region, where each important neighboring country has its own language. Today, we all know how necessary it is for us to have different visions given the challenges that we face, posed by rising temperatures, increased numbers of dust storms, and water scarcity that directly affect our daily lives. Different visions can provide different solutions. I hope that you, as the newest generation of AUIS students, will lead the change that your families, your communities, and your country desire. Another quote, "Knowledge is power. Information is liberating. Education is the premise of progress in every society, in every family." This was said by Kofi Annan, the former United Nations Secretary General. You and your families have my best wishes for success as you continue on this exciting journey. Thank you. Zor spas. Shukran.
Thank you so much, Dr. Bruce, for your words of encouragement to our APP graduates. Now I would like to welcome and introduce Ms. Zamkita Mapatani, our APP Director. Welcome, Ms. Zam, please.
All right. Greetings, students, parents, and APP. It is a great honor to be celebrating this great achievement with all of you today. Today marks a very important day for you in your academic career. By graduating APP, you not only showed us that you are ready to move into your undergraduate courses, but you also showed it that you have earned your way, and we are proud of that. So let's calculate an average of 30 weeks, 5 hours per day, 5 hours, 5 days per week. That's an equal of 750 hours of work that you did. That's a lot. This number shows that you have put in the necessary work to improve yourselves, to realize your goals, and to finally stand here today with pride and ready to pursue your next academic careers. You did not only learn English in APP, but you also learned a new culture of academics. You made new friends, you created strong bonds with your teachers, and you realized your own level of confidence. You persevered through difficult circumstances, and you learned how to rely on yourselves. Most of all, you earned your status as part of the AUIS community. With all that said, I do want to urge you that your work is not done. Your next journey in the undergraduate program has just begun. You will face new challenges, experiences, new opportunities, and be put in situations that will make you think of decisions that will uplift you to become inspiring members of your community. APP administration, teachers, and I want to wish you the best of luck as you'll become leaders and mentors for your peers. As they say, always reach for the stars, and if you fall, don't worry, you will fall among them. I want to thank the APP faculty, Matthew Peshek, Widad Bentakaya, Katie Ng, Christopher Campbell, and Nita Brown for leading, inspiring, teaching our APP students. Without you, we would not be able to have these wonderful results today. I also want to extend my gratitude to Ms. Amanda and Mr. Ahmed Aram for being able to carry out APP throughout this academic year. You did a wonderful job. Most of all, I want to thank each student's parents and guardians for trusting in us to deliver top quality education to your children. And most of all, for continuously supporting them. They are becoming better because of you. Best of luck and congratulations.
Thank you so much, Ms. Zamkita. Welcome back to the APP administration team. We are really delighted at your return. Now I kindly ask Dr. Ferguson and Ms. Mapatani to join me in awarding the certificates to the students. Dear students, dear graduates, I should say, please move forward as I read your names to accept congratulations and to receive your certificates. أحمد حفيظ عزاوي. آويز كريم عزيز. آنيا كاروان قادر. أحمد محمد عبد الكريم. عبد القادر عمر عباس. آوان بيشوا رؤوف. بريسكا عطا صابر. باور هوشيار محمد. ديلان غريب عبد الرحمن. ديانا محيدين فتح الله. فاطمة مجيد جلال. حسين فايق علي. هاجاو نجم الدين كريم. إبراهيم نزار حمد أمين. إبراهيم ياسر إبراهيم. كوشان كيوان عمر. كاثرين عمر صابر. لارا غفور محمد. لاوند حمزة عبد الله. لن ياسر كوت كريم. لاريش شرزات حما سعيد. لاوكو سوران نريمان لنيا طه أحمد مبين بني آدم محمد حميد أحمد محمد خالد حسين محمد كريم جاسم ميديا ماهر محمد مستان زانا جمال بيام إسماعيل عبيد ريكان شوان خضر شادمان حميد صديق شاكر لطيف محمد سيما تيفور صديق جاليا عبد الله جمال جيور حسين توفيق جوان خبات إبراهيم زانيار مسعود كمال جوان مهدي ميكا زهرة رحيم نصور And finally, Muhammad Hauraman Muhammad. Beth O'Sullivan to deliver her remarks. Please, Mrs. Sullivan.
Hi, everyone. All right, so dearest APP graduates, congratulations. This is a major step for you. Major step on your academic path. Your investment in your education began here in APP, and it will continue as you grow and enter undergraduate. We are all really proud of your accomplishments and your commitment to learning. For those of you who don't know me yet, I'm Miss Liz O'Sullivan. I am the Director of Academic Success here. Don't worry, we will have plenty of time to get to know one another when you're an undergraduate. The last few years have not been the easiest for anyone, and you were able to find the path to achieve your goals in that time. Your next few years will be filled with challenges, failures, and successes. You have already proven to yourself that when life decides to change our expectations, that you can handle it and you can continue. That is the big secret to learning. It's not what you know or what you forgot, it's how you handle the challenges and the changes to your plans. As you join undergraduate, it is important to remember that there are many ways and opportunities to achieve success, just as there are many students and dreams here today right in front of us. Just as we each grow a little bit more every day, so do our dreams. Just as we change a little every day, so do our hopes. The person you are today is not the person that showed up to APP orientation. The person that will walk across that stage outside as an AUIS alum is not the person you are today. Thank you for letting AUIS be a part of your path to growth and change. As a member of the AUIS community for almost 10 years now, I have been lucky enough to watch our students build their skills, their confidence, and knowledge a little bit more every year. I have watched students sitting in these seats that you're in today in different combinations of tired, stressed, excited, a little bored, and very proud. They have gone on to become different combinations of parents, PhDs, entrepreneurs, artists, engineers, influencers, educators, dreamers, and so many other options. The one thing they all had in common is a willingness to learn, to change, and to grow. Luckily for you, you already know you have that in your heart and in your mind. So for today, enjoy it. Enjoy the break that you have for the next week. Get some sleep. Spend time with your friends, with your family. Take a moment to be proud of yourself. And then get ready for that next challenge. Maybe it's undergraduate, maybe it's a little bit longer of a break, maybe it's something else. For those of you who it is undergraduate, I will see you on September 1st. For your orientation, please do not forget, please check your email so you know the time, the place, all of the details. We'll start to meet each other a little bit better that day. For right now, though, the important thing is that you all keep challenging yourselves. You keep finding new ways to grow. The important thing is that you remember that you have a lifetime of opportunities in front of you. Each day is just one more chance to learn. Thank you, APP, and congratulations.
Thank you, Ms. O'Sullivan. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes our IPP graduation. Thank you so much for being here today. Kudos to everyone who helped us with the event. And please join us for the cake party. Let the party begin. Thank you.